They are sensitive to radio frequencies. They are getting sick. Cancer is strongly associated with long-term exposures to radio frequencies, and there seems to be no one who will even believe that they are sick, much less be able to help them. The wireless industries have a standing policy to simply deny all claims of inquiry about negative health effects of radio frequencies. So someone in your house might start suffering sleep disturbances, headaches, memory loss, cognitive impairment, or changes in personality and relationships. To make this worse, these people usually have some difficulty in convincing their loved ones that there is a problem. They are making a lot of money by providing wireless services, and the biological hazards of this avalanche of radiation into our living spaces is a very inconvenient factor in the wireless gold rush.
The evolving landscape of modern warfare has ushered in a new era of covert weaponry, one that operates beyond the realm of conventional arms. Directed energy weapons, DEWs, are a disturbing reality. Skepticism about directed energy weapons often arises due to restricted information, their covert nature lacking visible evidence, and the complex classified technology behind them. This secrecy, combined with limited public disclosure, fuels doubts about their existence among those reliant on official sources. In reality, these sophisticated tools harness concentrated energy in various forms such as electromagnetic radiation, microwaves, lasers, or particle beams to target and impact specific victims.